Hey there, future millionaires. Today we're diving into the future of wealth building. I'm talking about the top 5 passive income streams in 2025, opportunities that can help you earn money while you sleep. Whether you're looking to quit the 9-to-5 grind, save for that dream vacation, or just want some extra cash in your pocket, one of these side hustles could be your golden ticket. So let's get into it. Number 1, AI-powered digital products. By 2025, artificial intelligence will be everywhere and you can cash in on it. Think about creating eBooks, online courses, or even stock photos and videos using AI tools. Platforms like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva make it easier than ever to create high-quality content in minutes. Once you've created your product, you can sell it on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. The best part? You create it once and it keeps selling for years. Imagine waking up to sales notifications every single day. Sounds like a dream, right? Number 2, dividend stocks and ETFs. If you're not into creating digital products, how about letting your money work for you? Investing in dividend-paying stocks or ETFs is one of the most reliable ways to build passive income. Companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, and Johnson & Johnson have been paying dividends for decades. By 2025, the stock market will continue to grow, and so will your portfolio. Start small, reinvest your dividends, and watch your wealth compound over time. It's like planting a money tree that grows bigger every year. Number 3, short-term rentals. The travel industry is booming, and by 2025, it's only going to get bigger. Platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo make it easy to turn your spare room, vacation home, or even a tiny house into a cash-generating machine. Don't own property? No problem. You can explore rental arbitrage, leasing a property and then renting it out for a profit. With the right location and a little effort, you could be earning thousands every month. Who wouldn't want to get paid while travelers enjoy their vacations? Number 4, automated dropshipping businesses. E-commerce isn't going anywhere, and by 2025, it's going to be even more automated. With dropshipping, you don't need to hold inventory or handle shipping. You set up an online store, partner with suppliers, and let them do the heavy lifting. Tools like Shopify and Oberlo make it super easy to get started. Once your store is up and running, you can focus on scaling your business while the sales roll in. It's like having a virtual cash register that never closes. Number 5, content licensing and royalties. If you're creative, this one's for you. By 2025, the demand for original content, music, videos, photography, and even writing will be higher than ever. Platforms like Shutterstock, Pond5, and Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to license your work and earn royalties every time someone uses it. Imagine creating a song, a photo, or a book once and getting paid for it over and over again. It's the ultimate creative side hustle. Whether you're into tech, investing, real estate, e-commerce, or creativity, there's something here for everyone. The key is to start now. The sooner you take action, the sooner you'll start seeing results. Pick one, dive in, and let your money work for you. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on tips to grow your wealth. Until next time, stay hustling, stay winning, and I'll see you in the next video.